Dyslexic learning. What if life could be simpler? Welcome. Today we are going to talk about a subject that is close to our hearts. We've worked hard to create and present to you a tool designed to help you, including children, parents, teachers, speech therapists, and health professionals. We'll share an overview of one of the best tools for assisting, training, and improving the comfort of individuals with dyslexia. In this video, we'll introduce the main features of the IRIScan Desk Pro Dyslexic, and the ways in which it can be helpful. The first step is to plug in your scanner. Place your document, book, text, or notebook under the scanner, on the mat, and you're ready to go. Select the text, page, or multiple pages of a book, magazine, or brochure. Scan your page, or your selected text, and export it. You also have the option of opening a document stored on your computer. You can easily delete unnecessary pages using the red Delete tab, which appears when you click the page you want to delete. To recognize and edit text, you need to be on the chosen page. From this point forward, you are free to work with the text as you'd like. You also have the option to hide or enlarge both screens, both the original scan and the text screen, which is now editable. This prevents confusion and provides better focus, as opposed to displaying both screens simultaneously. We will continue on the right screen, which can now be modified as you like. To make the text more fluid and easier to read, start by selecting all. Now, you can adjust the font, size, color, and even the background color of the text. It is also possible to edit the text itself. To read the text aloud, we will use the 4 buttons at the top and in the middle of the screen. But before doing anything, let's set the document's language, OCR, as well as the diction language, text-to-speech. It is possible to read the full text at an adjusted reading speed and volume. Word-by-word reading is also allowed.
How parents and children.
You can even repeat certain words or phrases.
Children, children, children.
You will see that each word is highlighted in the text as it is read aloud. This is what we call word by word. In order to help improve diction, the program provides several ways of capturing. You can capture the page or document using book mode, in which it will distinguish the 2 pages of the book, side by side, or video mode. One of the benefits of video mode is that it allows for remote learning, or remote session monitoring, with a speech therapist, teacher, or someone else. The dual camera, combining the scanner and the webcam, allows you to carry out diction exercises, or writing remotely, over Teams or any other communication platform. Session recordings, which can be shared by email, makes it possible to track your learning progress over a short or long period. You can always see how you're doing. Export and share your work. It is possible to export your files in different formats, which are an audio file, an image, a PDF, a Word file, or in an email, directly as an attached file, in the format that you will have predefined in the settings. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and share the video, and be sure to tell us in the comments how useful this tool will be for you. Also, follow us on social media to learn even more.